Well, alright. First morning of the bird hunt and kind of a shed hunt as well. Just got done raining pretty bad, but it's not too bad because the ground's pretty dry.
There's so many birds, it's ridiculous.
What?
I know a spot I could probably get Mike to walk, so I'm not going to hit it. So you guys try not to hit it. There's a road down here that's flat. If you drive down here, you can get on it. It's flat. There's no hills.
Kind of help side hills it?
Yeah, so maybe like I could talk Mike into walking that one later. So don't.
Got the duck guns for some reason.
Yeah, you gotta like.
For upland birds.
Don't
But,
walk
okay.
down. You don't really matter. You walk down the road, there's a group up here. You pass them a little bit later.
Yeah. Like, if you hit it right now, Mike came, it'd be a whole new flock.
Whole new bunch.
Who knows? I'm gonna go hit up there, try to get some blues first and some bones.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find some roughs.
Rough grouse up here?
Yeah. I know a lot of secret
Yeah,
spots.
good luck. I know there's some rough grouse. That draw where it's coming out of his butt, it's all nasty.
Why?
There goes the biddy. We're getting ready to roll out. We're gonna go get us some birds. They're up here. Have to keep you guys informed if we kill anything or if we find any sheds.
Got about 15 minutes in, gunning the whole damn covey of quail. Managed to get 2 of them. Shot at some grouse. Big old boy. Alright guys, just cruising along here. Coming back, gonna go hit it back up. Fucked up a little deer shed. Get it back up. Just walking through, frickin' spiking right clean through the bottom of my damn shoe. Punch right in my damn foot. Just smoked a big old blue.